हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, द आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन लाइक बोर एटम इज 4 Rydberg. Okay, what is the wavelength of the radiation emitted when the electron jumps from first excited state to the ground state? I mean, N2 is given, right? The first excited state में N2 is equal to 2, and finally it is come back to the ground state, so N1 is equal to 1. So I can write the formula here, and it is asking what is the wavelength. Okay, so you can easily say, right, the energy difference, that is, right, delta E, right, the energy difference between these two states, delta E, must be equal to 4R, right, that is the ionization energy of, that is the ionization energy of the atom, into 1 upon 1 square, right, 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 2 square. All right, so from here I can say, right, the delta E is equal to 4R, and this will become 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 4. So this will become 3 upon 4. So from here I can say delta E must be equal to 3R, because this will become 3 upon 4. So 4 will get cancelled out and we'll get here 3R. So now delta E is this, but I need to find the wavelength. So I can say from here Hc upon lambda. So I can find the wavelength in angstrom only. So this energy I can write as 12400, right, lambda in angstrom, and the energy is given 3R. So 3 into, and the value of R is 13.6 electron volt. So from here we'll get the value of lambda, that will come approximately 300 angstrom. So the wavelength is okay. The first part of the question is all right. Now it is saying what is the radius of the first orbit of this atom. So as you all know, the radius is equal to 5 into 10 raised to power minus 11 meter upon z. Okay. Okay. Right. So okay. So this is the right. So this is the formula for radius for first orbit of any atom. Doesn't matter. So this is the formula of radius for first orbit of any atom. So 5 into 10 minus 11 meter upon z. Now I need to find the value of z here. So let us try to find the value of z first. So as you all know, the ionization energy is given 4 Rydberg. So ionization energy is nothing but, ionization energy of any atom is 13.6 electron volt into z square. So here the ionization energy is 4R. So 4 into, and value of R is 13.6 electron volt, is equal to 13.6 electron volt into z square. So we can easily say this will get cancelled out, and from here I get the value of z is equal to 2. So this value I can put here. So we'll get the value of R. So this becomes 5 into 10 raised to power minus 11 upon 2. So we'll get the value 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 11 meter. So this is the radius of first orbit of this atom. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.